let's see what is BigQuery ML. BigQuery ML is a feature within Google BigQuery that enables users to create and execute machine learning models directly within the BigQuery environment without the need for external tools or platforms. It allows data analysts and data scientists to build, evaluate, and deploy machine learning models using SQL queries. So, here is some key features of BigQuery ML that include SQL integration. Actually, BigQuery ML utilizes SQL syntax, allowing users to perform machine learning tasks using familiar SQL statements. This makes it accessible to analysts and SQL developers. Then, variety of algorithms. BigQuery ML supports a range of machine learning algorithms for tasks such as regression, classification, clustering, and time series forecasting. Examples include linear regression, logistic regression, k-means clustering, and many more. Then the third one is automated feature engineering. BigQuery ML simplifies the feature engineering processes by automatically handling common tasks such as encoding categorical variables and handling missing data. Then the model evaluation. Users can access the performance of their machine learning models directly within BigQuery using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and more. Model deployment. Once a machine learning model is trained and evaluated, it can be deployed for making predictions directly within BigQuery. The last one is scalability. BigQuery machine learning leverages the scalable and serverless architecture of BigQuery, enabling users to handle large datasets and complex ML tasks. Here, let's see what is BigQuery ML. Here, you can see the first one is our project Meghplat course. Then the second one is BigQuery public data. In this public data, Google provides some examples. We can run and we can understand how BQ works. So let's start with the BigQuery ML data, which the Google provides. So let's search for ML dataset. So let me search it. If I type it in search bar, I'm not getting. So let's search for it. ML dataset. That is machine learning dataset. It is taking time. Let's wait for it. You can see here ML dataset. Go to ML dataset. Within ML dataset, let's go to the penguins. So when we click on the penguins, we will get all the schema of the table. It is having species name, island, then Kelman length, then the flipper length, body mass, sex, etc. So here you can find the details, the table ID, then when it is created, last modify, and when this table can expire. And the data location is very important. You can see US here, then default collation, default rounding mode, labels, primary keys, etc. To preview it, let's click here. You can check what are all the data present in this table. There are plenty of data. So you can see 344 data is present here, and as well as the columns you can see the Kalman length, flipper length, body mass, island species, etc. So you can see here. So now let's go ahead and create our own model table from this data set. In order to create our own data model, let's compose a new query. So click here. You can see the query here. In the first line, create or replace model. Actually, this not only create model but also train that the model that we are going to create. This is the data set I'm going to create the model into is BigQuery data, and the table is penguin model. Then you can see options here where we specify the model we want to create is linear regression. We define it as model type, then the linear regression, then input label columns. You can see here input label columns. Linear regression model continuously generates continuous values from a linear combination of input features. So we define this input label as a series of columns. We want to predict the values, but here we are using only one, that is body mass of penguins. So then we have select statement here, which uses all the columns for the original data set to compare it to the predicted values. From defines the table we want to take the data from. Then also the where clause. Where clause says that it gives us results where the body mass is not null. If it is null, we don't want the result. So let's run the query. You can see here two information, that is elapsed time. Let's go to execution details. You can see here elapsed time and slot time consumed. Elapsed time is the total time that it took BigQuery to execute our query. Slot time consumed is the total time taken by virtual CPU to execute our query. So now we have created the table. Let's see here. You can see here penguins model. When we click on it, you can see the data. model type is linear regression, model ID, then the date created, model expiration, then date modified, data location, model type is linear regression, loss type, then the training options. If we go here, training can be viewed as graphs or it can be viewed as tables. Training data loss you can see here. Then if we move to evaluation, you can see mean absolute error, mean squared error, mean square log error, etc. You can see schema here, predicted body mass, species island, features, labels, etc. So let's move to the evaluation of our model. So we are using ml.evaluate function to do this. We're gonna use with the model we have generated against the original model. So here I have composed a query. So this is the query we are using to evaluate. You can see ml evaluate here. Um, it generates its results in a table. We can fetch information only if we use this select clause. Uh, so we can only evaluate from the feeded model. So another select we are using here where we select all the results from the original table where the body mass of the penguin is not known. uh, we don't want result from the original table where penguins do not have any body mass. So this is the query we want to run. So let's run this query. So this ml evaluate function gives this table. In this table, because our original model is linear regression model, so we have mean absolute error, mean squared error, mean squared log error, and median absolute error, R2 score, explained variance, etc. You can see the execution details here, elapsed time, slot time consumed, everything, the output, input, etc. This is how the BigQuery ML works.